Dear children, welcome to this Standard 2 Social Studies class. Today I am going to teach you chapter 15, Our Earth. Kindly open at page number 74. Children, in this chapter we will discuss about different types of landforms. So let's begin the chapter. The Earth is a unique planet. It is the home of all living beings. The shape of the Earth is round like a ball. It has land, water, and air. We live on land. All living beings need water to drink. There is air around the Earth called the atmosphere. All living things need air to breathe. Next, we'll see different types of landforms. Plains, hills, mountains, valley, desert are different landforms on earth. Land of the earth is not same across the earth. The land have different forms. Various types of land found on the earth are called landforms. People live in flat land, some on high mountains and some live in dry lands. Let's learn more about different landforms. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Next we'll see plains. What is plains? The flat part of the land are called plains. Most of the cities and villages are in the plain areas. Many rivers flow through the plains. Most of the farming is done in plains. Major crops like wheat, maize, vegetables and fruits grow here. Plains are hot in summers and cold in winters. Next we will discuss hills and mountains. At some places the land is steep high than the plains. Such places are called hills. Hills are cooler than the plains. Farmers grow crops by terrace farming. Terrace farming means cutting the hills into steps and do farming on that place. High hills are known as mountains. It is usually called in the mountain known as peak. Peaks of mountains in Himalayas are always covered with snow. The weather is cold on mountains. When the snow of the mountains melt, many rivers are formed. Ganga, Brahmaputra and some of them. Next we will see valley. What is valley? The lowland between two mountains or hills is called valley. Valley has very fertile land. Most valleys are V-shaped. See children, valley. Desert. A desert is a large area of dry land covered with sand. Desert areas are very dry as it gets very little rainfall. Very few plants and animals are found in desert. The camel is called the sheep of desert. Cactus plants are mainly found here. The third desert is the biggest desert in the world. Next we will see plateau. What is plateau? Plateau is higher than a plain but flat on top like a table. Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Children, turn the page. Next we will discuss forest. Forests are large areas covered with trees and plants. Many wild animals live here in forest. Do not cut trees. They keep our environment clean. So children, save trees. Next we will see water bodies. A large part of the earth is covered with water in the form of rivers, lakes, oceans and sea. It is also present under the ground. River. When it is hot, snow and ice from the mountains melt into water and run down to form a stream. Many streams join to form a river. Almost all rivers flow into the plains and they meet the oceans. There are many rivers in India. Many cities are found on the banks of the rivers. The Ganga is our holy river. Next, we'll see lake. What is lake? A lake is a large water body surrounded by land, seas, and oceans. A sea is a large body of salty water. The sea water is not fit for drinking or cooking. An ocean is larger than sea. Water of oceans are also very salty. Many water animals live in it. See children, this is oceans. Sea. Okay children, thank you.